Welcome to this guided meditation journey for self discovery and deep healing. This is a very powerful meditation. Take it easy and relax. You will need a mirror for this meditation. Find a peaceful place where you will not be disturbed for next 10 minutes. You need to be completely with yourself starting now. Sit comfortably. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Now let the healing begin. Keep the mirror in front of you, or you can hold the mirror in your hands, close enough to see your face properly. Now look into the mirror. Look into your eyes. Have you seen this person lately? Is this the same person you see every day? When getting ready, or styling your hair, or just for a quick glance? Or this person looks like a stranger? Look closely. Look deep in your eyes. Do you even remember the color of your eyes? Do you remember yourself? Keep looking at your face. This is the person who has been with you every day, every time, from the day you were born, and will be the only person to stay till you are. And is this not the person who is most neglected by you? The person who is not loved the most, who gets the love only when you have some left after you have given it all to your partner, to your parents, kids, family, or friends. Look closer. Look deep in your eyes. Do you feel awkward? Let the thoughts come. Observe and let them pass. You bring back yourself to the present moment. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Keep looking at your face. Do you see any resemblance of this person with you? What thoughts come to your mind? What do you think of this person right behind the mirror? This is the person deep inside, you know, has been most ignored, most criticized by you. Does this person seem so flawed, both externally and internally? Do you only see the color, the texture of your skin, the flaws, the wrinkles, or even the dark circles, and you feel you don't look good enough? Keep looking at your face. Are you carried away by external looks only? Keep looking, keep looking, keep looking. Now shift your awareness inwards and see the person whom you have not forgiven till now for all the mistakes you have made, the blunders that you have done in your life, like that relationship you did not stand for. And is it not even more difficult because deep down you know you cannot blame it on someone else? You cannot even share it with others. You cannot even vent it out. Do you feel like crying? Let it be. You don't need to hold on. You just don't need to. Wash off all the pain and all that you have been holding on to. Let the tears flow. No one is watching you. No one except you. Let it release. Let it go. In this moment, just take a pause. Ask yourself, can you keep your guns down? That invisible gun you have always been pointing at yourself. And just let yourself be. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Bring your attention back to the mirror. Keep looking at your face. Do you see your mask being removed? Do you see this original, this real you being revealed? The person behind this mirror is the one who is waiting for your love, who needs your love the most right now. Keep looking, keep looking. Can you start by accepting yourself? Now, forgive yourself and release all the pain, all the suffering. Offer the love you have been denying to yourself. You need it. You deserve it. This love is all yours. Keep looking. Keep looking. deep in your eyes. Do you feel this person is not a stranger now? Smile and see that smile of yours, the most beautiful smile, because it is for the person you love most. Take a deep breath in, exhale slowly. Now gently keep down the mirror. Wrap yourself, hug yourself tightly. Now slowly come back to the present moment. Relax. You're all set for a positive day.